Wendy sees a notification that the technician has completed his service estimate and assigned her a new task. From the open task, Wendy can navigate back to the repair order and check the related tab to view the service estimate. Wendy right-clicks on the estimate name to open it in a new tab. Here she can review the total charges and print the PDF to her local files. Heading back to the repair order, Wendy uses the Activities tab to create an email to send the estimate for review. She adds Julie Brown as the contact and selects a predefined template to quickly construct a branded message using company header and merge fields to personalize the email. Wendy attaches the printed estimate as a PDF and sends the email to Julie. HTML templates provide the ability to track activity, allowing Wendy to check back and see when the email was last opened. Checking her inbox, Wendy sees that Julie has replied to her email. Julie mentions they're hesitant to invest $5,000 into repairing an older vehicle. Wendy notes the van is still in great shape, but the mechanic noted the estimate could increase if he finds further damage or a cracked engine. She asked Julie if she'd be interested in having the van appraised instead. Wendy uses the Chrome Salesforce extension to log her email directly from Gmail to the related repair order. Noting a quick reply, Wendy checks her inbox to see Julie is in favor of getting the appraisal and exploring the idea of a new vehicle. Working directly in Gmail, Wendy can create a new sales up record for Julie without returning to Dealer Team. She can add lead type, untouched as lead status, and add the source as a repeat customer. Opening the new sales up using the same extension, Wendy can update the record by adding the service vehicle. Using Chatter to message the general manager, Wendy can alert James Benz with a notification from the sales up, making it easy for him to get the appraisal process started. To complete the job, Wendy returns to the repair order and checks off the task that she's reviewed the estimate with Julie. Refreshing the page, we can now see under the Activity tab that the email history has been recorded. Wendy can now update the status bar to indicate that she's holding for approval.